Hi, I'm Charlie, Realtor on the Dan Plowman team, and welcome to our newest listing here at 422 Lanark Drive in Oshawa. This is a semi-detached 4-bedroom home that's been completely updated from top to bottom. Let's go have a look. So whether you're a first-time home buyer or you have a growing family, this house has plenty to offer you, including a main floor powder room, which is very convenient. You have a great open concept living and dining room here with a walkout to a great deck and a private backyard. And to make it even better, you have an eat-in kitchen. Have a look. When you come upstairs, what you're going to notice are 4 large bedrooms, a 5-piece bath for everybody to share. This house was completely painted, brand new floors, new hardware. It's got so much to offer you. Please come have a look. We also have a finished basement here with these beautiful wood beams. All that's left for you to do is put your stamp on it. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful home for sale. If you're interested in a private viewing, please contact the number above. And to keep up with all of our latest listings, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.